I am living. Because there's nothing better than looking hella cute and something that was like not hella expensive. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited about today's video because it's actually the beginning of a series that I've been wanting to do for so long, literally for like over a year and a half, maybe two, I don't know. I've been talking about it on Instagram, I've been teasing it on like all over the place, and then it just never happened. But guess what, honey? We are here now. So today, I don't know what we're gonna call this series, bougie on a budget, cute for cheap. I don't really know. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know down below. But pretty much what we're gonna be doing is I'm going to be going to stores that are very inexpensive and I feel like overlooked, and I'm just going to be picking out some items, showing you guys what my favorite things are to pick up at these certain stores, how to style the clothes. So it's kind of like a haul, but also showing you guys like how you can look cute on a budget, you know. The reason why I decided that I wanted to do this is because there's this huge misconception that to look poppin' or to look cute, you have to like go out and spend the big bucks, which is like so far from reality. Like I can't even explain to you how much of a sham and a lie that is. Whoever sold that idea to you, cancel. We're not doing that. I went to Ross, I picked up a few things. I'm going to show you guys how I style it. I'm going to tell you guys all about the prices, all of that good stuff. I'm going to tell you guys what my favorite things are to pick up at Ross. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to watch what I picked up at Ross and how I style it, then please keep watching. So first off, let's get into what I purchased. I got a big old bag of stuff from Ross Dress for Less. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, and then we'll go into like how I styled it. So first off, this top right here, it's a Bardot top, and I actually picked this up at Ross. I picked up these two Bardot tops. So it's this one right here, and it's pretty similar to the one that I'm wearing right here, but actually these sleeves are a lot shorter. So these here are longer, which is kind of a look. So I also picked it up in a peach color. So all three of these cost me $6.99 each, which is actually a really good price. Bardot tops are super trendy, super in this summer. So, you know, I had to pick it up in a few different colors because I've been loving the red. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing a lot of red, which I don't usually wear red. I don't know why, but we're doing it now, girl. All right, you guys, so this is the first top. Isn't it so cute? I feel like it's very cute. It's very simple, but it's also very like super trendy, and I just paired it with like some high-waisted jeans. Yes. All right, so here's Bardot top number 2. You guys, honestly, how cute is this? Isn't it so cute? I like this material because I feel like it really just kind of like hugs it. I'm not sure what this material is called, but you guys know probably what it is. And you can see like my sticky bra under. You can get away with wearing it with no bra, but that's like totally up to you. And as you can see, the sleeves on this one are longer, but I'm not mad at it. How do we feel about it? Do we like it? Yes. Yes, red top. Oh, you guys, yes. This looks so good. This is definitely my favorite one. The color is just, ooh, it's just everything, yes. I like the long sleeve on this one too, just because I feel like it kind of differentiates it from like a lot of the other Bardot tops that I have. But what do we think? Do we like it? Yes. You guys, oh my god, I'm so happy with my purchases. And this one was also $6.99. Okay. Next up, I picked up this super adorable top. I know that you guys probably can't really see all the details in it, but you'll see it in just a sec once I show you guys how I'm gonna style it. But this was only $12.99, you guys, and I absolutely love all of the detail that we have up here in the front. And then the sleeves are also super cute. So I feel like this is a very one-of-a-kind piece. So I'm really excited that I found this in my size because it's super adorable, and I honestly can't wait to style it. Although honestly, this is probably going to be more of like a night outfit because Girl, even though it's see-through and it's lace, whew, it is too hot right now, honey. Way too hot.
Oh my god, you guys. How cute is this top? Like, I cannot even believe that I picked this up at Ross. Because it's so freaking cute. Like, look at the detail. It just looks so nice. I would probably wear it with, like, jeans that are not very distressed, just because I feel like we already have a lot going on. But I don't have any with me right now that don't have distress, so I'll just have to show you guys this. Do you guys see my bump? Wow, super cute. But you guys, how cute is this top? Oh my god. I'm living. I feel so fancy in it, honestly. Oh, look at the tag. And it's even nicer because it was only $12.99, I think, so. See, I'm telling you, there are hidden gems at every single store. You just have to know how to look for it.
All right, so these two, you guys, I picked up in the little, like, interior clothing section, and they're actually thigh tamers. Yeah, that's what it says. Yeah, thigh tamers. So these are actually meant to go like under dresses and like under just tight things to kind of keep it all together. But I thought the length is good. Maybe we can pull them off as biker shorts. I wasn't able to try them on though because it came in a whole packet, but my mom pulled it apart before I did this video. So I didn't get to try them on, but they were $9.99 for both of them. So here's a little tag. But they were $9.99. And hopefully they work as biker shorts because those are super trendy right now. And it's not even like they're pricey anywhere else really, but I just feel like they're always sold out just because they're such a hot item right now. So hopefully these work as biker shorts.
You guys, I'm excited because these actually do work as cycling shorts. They're thigh tamers, but now they're cycling shorts. Okay, because we are trendy on a budget. You definitely can like wear them like this, although this area is honestly kind of a little bit weird. But I would probably just stick to wearing these with like an oversized t-shirt, anything that's kind of gonna like cover the tush area, you know what I mean? But you guys, $10 for two of them, a black pair and a gray pair. You honestly can't beat that.
All right, so this one right here was $12.99, which is not bad at all, you guys. I am obsessed with the print, like just the color, the pops of red. I absolutely love it. I just feel like it's such a cute look, like especially just this with like these earrings. Yes. So I'll show you guys how I'll style it in just a sec, but you guys, it was only $12.99. And I'm obsessed with the print. Like,
oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited about this top. How cute is it? Underneath, I'm just wearing a plain black bra. You guys can definitely do a bralette, but I wanted to keep it pretty simple just because I paired it with some distressed shorts, so I didn't want too much going on. But isn't it so adorable? Yes, honey, yes.
All right, so next up, I picked up some shoes, and I absolutely love going to Ross for shoes, you guys. I will say that it's very hit or miss. Sometimes they don't have any, but if you go on the day that they stock up, honestly, you'll for sure find something, especially if you can also shop in the kids section. Like I have found Converse there, I've found Adidas, Nikes, Adidas sandals. Like I get a lot of like sneakers there because I'm not the type of person, honestly, that will go and spend like $150 on sneakers because that's not, like, I'm not about that life. These right here are actually some Adidas, which usually retail for like 75 bucks, and I got them for $32. So I think that's a big win. So whenever you guys are going like back to school shopping, holidays, any of that stuff, make sure to check Ross first because they always will sometimes always have good shoes. Honestly, heels and sandals, I'm not like a huge fan of their heels and sandals, but sneakers, yes.
All right, so here are the shoes. Yes, little shoes. Then I'm also wearing the biker shorts, the thigh tamers, and the Bardot top, which you guys, honestly, I'm not mad at this outfit right now. Yes, I feel like it's like cute and sexy, but like then the biker shorts and the shoes are like sporty. So it's like I'm sexy, but also I'm here to like run or bike or just be cute.
I picked up this shirt right here, which is another one of those kind of like tie in the front shirts, and I didn't iron it and I didn't have a chance to iron it. And yeah, so it looks a little off right now, but where is the price? This one was $9.99, so I know it kind of looks like whatever right now, but once I put it on, you guys will see how freaking cute it is, even though it's wrinkled.
Yes, you guys, another look. I mean, honestly, even though it's wrinkled, like a vibe, okay? Like, how cute is this? Again, you can do it with like a straight bralette or like a bra like this. I just feel like this is kind of more like sexy, you know, kind of like I'm here, but I'm covered, but I'm here, you know? So I actually really, really like how this looks. Oh my God. So cute.
All right, so next up I got some jeans. These right here are all black ones and they cost $14.99. And they're high-waisted. That's one of the things that is like a must for me. Like, jeans have to be like high-waisted for me. It's just what makes my body look best. It flatters my body the best. And I don't do mid-rise and low-rise. Oh God, no.
No.
And I can't really show you guys the jeans too much just here until I try them on. But so it's the other ones, then these over here, and they do have like some distress down here, and these right here were $13.99. And then these over here were $17.99. So these were actually the priciest ones at $17.99, which is honestly not bad at all because you guys know that jeans can get a little bit pricey. So that's another thing that I really like picking up at Ross are jeans. Although honestly, a lot of times the selection isn't amazing, but you will find some good stuff. So I had a really good run this past time at Ross because I got 3 different jeans and they were all high rise. They're all the way that I like them. So I did have a lucky time, but like I said, Ross is one of those like stores that's very hit or miss, but it is worth looking because when you do hit it, like it's a good hit. Okay.
All right, so here are the black jeans. They are very skinny at the bottom, so you can obviously tell. They're high-waisted, obviously, because we spoke about this. Your girl only does high-waisted. But you guys, this is one of those butt jeans, and like, I feel like you can't really see, but yes, butt. It's one of those make your butt look bigger jeans, and I'm not mad at it. Okay, so this is another pair of jeans. You guys, I already like really, really like them. They're also really high-rise. It's slightly giving me like a camel toe, but you know what? We're gonna roll with the punches. I feel like this pattern here is almost making my legs look like bigger and thicker, which I'm not mad about because you guys know that I'm like a little meanie baby. Like I'm so little. Which is so funny because I know when a lot of people meet me, they're like, wow, you're so much smaller than I expected because like angles on the gram, you guys, but honestly, I'm pretty small. So they kind of roll up here. As you can see, they have some distress in them. Yes, we really like these. I really like these. They also make my butt look pretty cute. So yes, Ross, coming through with the $14
Okay, so
jeans. Here are these other jeans which also fit really nicely. I actually like this top part right here. I feel like it's really cute. And this one has distress that goes all down the leg. They're also skinny, as you can tell. Yes.
All right, guys, so I've tried everything on. You guys saw everything that I purchased on me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Just to finalize it real quick, again, I'm gonna let you guys know my top things to get at Ross, okay? Ready, set, we're going. Number 1, fragrances. Fragrances are definitely something that you will most of the time find at Ross. None of these things are gonna be like always, because you just never know with those kinds of stores, you know, because they don't always have certain things in stock, if you would. So fragrances is definitely one of them. I really like getting shoes there, sneakers in particular, not heels or sandals. I'm not a huge fan of their heels or sandals. And also jeans. I feel like they always have good quality jeans for really, really inexpensive prices. And then also fourth would be luggages. That's usually where I go get my luggages, there or Burlington, but I will be doing a little series part on Burlington also, so then I'll get into detail on like what I like buying from Burlington. So I think those are my top 4 things. I'm sure there's like other things, but like I don't shop for like home decor, I don't shop for like children's clothes, I don't shop for like guys clothes too much, so I can only share with you guys like things that I personally love from Ross, just because I don't know all the departments. I only really like shop for myself, so I couldn't really tell you guys if like their baby section is amazing, or if their I don't know, guys shorts are amazing, you know. So I can only really tell you the things that I shop for. So for me, like I said, fragrance, jeans, luggages, and what was the last one? Sneakers. So those are my top 4 things to get at Ross. Alright guys, so you guys saw me try everything on, and you guys kind of see how I would like style things, like to my own personal preference. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys like this series that we're starting here, just because personally I feel like it's like, I never want anybody to feel like they can't look cute or they can't dress up because of like they can't shop at certain places, you know, because I just feel like that is so far from reality. Like, it's easy. It's so easy to like look amazing when you have unlimited money, but you guys, like, it really is like a challenge when you like set out to like look cute on a budget. Like, that is what's hard, you know what I mean? Like, that's a challenge, honey. Yeah, you can buy like super expensive stuff and look cute, but let me challenge you to like look cute on a budget, because I feel like that takes creativity to really like see a piece that's like very inexpensive and be able to like dress it up to look like $1,000,000. So that's why I wanted to make this video, is because I know that not everybody can afford to like go and buy really expensive things. So like, this is for my girls who like want to be cute on a budget, you know what I mean? Because like, I'm all about that life. Like, I don't care if something costs $2 or $3, or if it's from like Didi's or from Phallus or like wherever. Like, you'll never make me feel bad for like purchasing something that's like inexpensive, you know, because I've seen so many people like make fun of certain stores, and I'm like, bro, what? Like, what? I'm sorry, what? Okay, canceled. I love you guys so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy it, so I know like if this is like a hot fire series that we have going, or maybe it's not something that you guys are interested. But yeah, love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.